Need a new set of tires this season? Is your engine making strange noises? Do you need machinery for that new project of yours? OK Wholesale has the solution. Founded in 1991, the company has expanded, now operating a retail store, tire shop, engine repair shop, and a service truck, which services those in need throughout the islands. OK Wholesale is an agent for the most sold machinery in the Faroe Islands, Hanex, and New Holland excavators. Come see OK Wholesale for all your automobile and machinery needs.